How to delete drafts on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can delete drafts on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you were trying to post a specific video before and then you just save them to your draft. You're not sure how you can delete it even though you find the draft options, right? So if you want to delete a draft video on Instagram, it's very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and launch the Instagram application. Now just tap on the plus icon from the bottom. You'll be able to post your photos, but to get to our draft section we basically need to tap on this little draft button which you see over here, and you'll be able to see all of the posts that you have saved to your draft. Now what you want to do is just tap on the little manage icon which is right at the right hand side of the screen, and then you'll be able to see all of the photos that has been saved to your draft gallery. If I would like to delete a specific one, all you need to do is just tap on the edit like icon from the top right hand side, choose the photo that you would like to delete, tap on the check icon from the top right. It'll ask you for a confirmation, do you really want to discard it? All you have to do is just go ahead and tap on the discard button, and once you've done that you have successfully discarded or deleted a specific draft video on Instagram. That's all it takes to delete a draft on Instagram if you're not sure how you were able to do it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, comment down below, and thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.